What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I am watching some fireworks and I'm at the glassworks. Flipping look at them. Holy crap. Look at them. Oh god, they're actually loud. I was at the Brook School where because my granddad lives near the Brook School, right? So I went there and there was one loud one and I felt like I was deaf. Just because of how loud it was and how close I was, but I don't know if they're finished or not. I don't know. So I don't know if they're finished. I don't know if they're finished. Mom, are they finished?
I think so, yeah. That was it.
Are you sure? Well, guys, YouTube, I literally did another recording of them, so I'm going to put this video on YouTube on my channel, then I'm going to put the other video on the other video. So yes, I am just going to be doing this. I think that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this very short video of fireworks, please sure to leave a like, because this might be a short video, but I've got like a really short video of some other fireworks. So yeah, peace out, bye.